Alright, today we're going to look at two things. One, inside cornrows, and we're going to do the melee dread. Let's do this. Alright, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing to our channel, and those ones who, if it's your first time to be on our channel, yes, thank you so much, and you're highly welcome. And just know you're on the right place, and you're going to see and learn everything that you want to know. So let's start with the cornrows. Yes, I'm going to show you a little bit on how to do the inside cornrow. This is how we started. Yes, it's different from the outside cornrows. I'll be giving you more videos on how to do the inside cornrows because it is very nice, since it lasts longer. Yeah, it lasts longer. When the hair is growing, it just grows from inside, it doesn't come outside. So that's why it is very nice. So I want you to give me your time so that we get to learn all these kinds of hairstyle. And for today we are going to do the melee dread as the best, and it's protective hairstyle since it is short, and it can also last longer, yes, as a crochet. So this is how we do it and I've been doing the same thing, like we have been uploading the videos showing you how to do the melee dread. So if you still have some question that you want to ask, please, you can go in my comment section and ask something concerning about the melee dread, or any other question that's on some things that you don't understand. So this is how we keep on doing. And you might ask yourself why I'm doing a big cornrow. It's just because the crochet that we're going to do is also big. I told you that when it comes to crochet, anyone can plait crochets, but there are those things that you need to follow as like the procedures that you need to follow when you're doing the crochets, because sometimes you find most times people do mistakes, and same mistakes ever, they are common, very common. Someone is doing a big crochet and is trying to install it on small cornrows. That is very wrong. So you have to do crochets according to the cornrow that you have plaited. It's not like you can just do it on any cornrows. They say you just mark it, that when you want to do a crochet, the cornrows are supposed to be going behind, and they're supposed to be very small or medium size. No, it's just you have to plait cornrows according to the crochet that you're going to plait. So this is how we do the melee dread, and the crochets are supposed to, the cornrows are supposed to be like this. So see how I start the cornrows, the inside cornrows, just like that, you see. Then when I'm trying to plait, I just do it that way. I keep on doing it from inside. I just keep doing it from inside, as you can see, you see, just like that. You keep on doing it from inside, just like that. I think I will have to upload a video showing you all how to do this inside cornrows, because trust me, when you try it, it will give you a good result and you will like it, because it will take long to grow. Yes, so you have to learn how to do this type of cornrow, like the inside cornrow. So as I told you that the cornrow is big, it's just because the crochet that we're going to use is also big. So that's how, and that's why I'm doing it this way. So we should all keep on learning to collect all those to correct all those mistakes that we always do sometimes concerning about crochets, because it's very bad, like, to hear people saying that crochets breaks hair. Yeah, that one I always feel bad, because I don't think that crochets are supposed to break someone's hair, because the way they were designed, it's just to protect people's hairline. So, and I don't believe in that. I don't believe that there's those hairstyles that are there to break people's hair. No way. It's just to follow the procedures for those kinds of hairstyle, to do it to do it the right way. That's when you will not lose your hair. People can say dreads break their hair, people can say weaves break their hair, but it's not right. It's just the way you plait it and the way maybe you maintain it that causes all those things. So right now we are doing the milli dread, but I would say if you try to do it with small cornrows and you do it you put these big crochets, that means it will break. You understand? So those are the things I said that we're supposed to follow the procedures of the crochets. So now let's try to apply the anti-itchy so that we can start doing our milli dread. I told you I'm doing the big cornrows just because something that I'm going to use is for big cornrows. So I'm using the soft kinky, as you can see. Okay, yes, let's try to begin, because she wants something short. And you know, I told you in my video of Shantwist that crochets that are very short, sometimes they're very okay, they're very nice, and because they protect hair a lot, since there's no need of styling, because sometimes people's hair breaks when they are styling, or yes, those things. So there's also those procedure that you're supposed to do when styling. You understand? Yeah, it's not all about stretching people's cornrows or trying to make them tight. It's not good at all. So let's try to look out on how to do the milli dread. Oh yes, that's how we start. And when you're done with the twisting, you just make it, see how it looks. Let's try to do something else so that you can see it well, because I've been posting these videos on doing the milli dread. So by right now, if you always continue to follow me, let's just see this. There's something I always do, just because you don't notice, is that whenever I crochet, look at my thumbnail. Whenever I crochet like this, I put that thumbnail there to stay there when I'm, you see, so that doesn't pain. Then you try to tie hair just like that, you see, and then you do the twisting. You just do the twisting this way. You see, that's how we do the milli dread. And so when you're done with that, you just tie down just that way. Yes, so this hair, when it grows, the more it grows, the more it looks nice, because yeah, when it grows, at times it looks like real dreads. Yes, and at times people with broken hairlines, it becomes hard for them to play this kind of hair. It's just because you cannot do a big cornrow in broken hairline. It is very hard, you understand? So it needs, if someone has got good hair like from the front, wow, this hairstyle will even look much better. Yes, it will look good. So to try to look here, it's the same thing that I do, is that whenever I crochet, look at my thumbnail, so I put it there so that it doesn't pain someone. Then I try to stretch it very slowly, and then I tie it. Yes, that is my secret when it comes to crocheting. Yes, someone be saying like, why no, your crochets are not painful? It's just always those things, those small things that I do. And the finishing is always, you should always focus on the finishing, because it's also part of it's in fact it's the best. You have to make a good finishing. So this is how our milli dread looks like. And please, if you haven't understood anything, try to go in my comment section. I promise you I will have to answer you everything. I love you so much, and shout out to everyone who has been with us ever since we started from 1 subscriber. Now we're here. Thank you so much. May God bless you. I love you so much. My name, I'm called Morris, the Crochet Master. I love you. Stay safe. Bye bye.